Do you have any regrets after converting to Islam? Allah knows everything. He knows that recently I have received a lot of judgmental, even hatred comments and messages from both Muslim and non-Muslim. I thought about it, and I think if there is any regret, it is I didn't meet Allah earlier in my life. If I could meet Him earlier, my life will be different. It doesn't mean that I don't enjoy my life now. It means that I would take less detours in the process in finding my inner peace and my self-acceptance. And this is something I want for you guys.
Mualaf keturunan Tionghoa bernama Sarah ini pernah ditanya, apakah dia menyesal memeluk Islam? Dengan penuh keyakinan, Sarah menyampaikan bahwa satu-satunya penyesalan yang dia rasakan adalah tidak mengenal Islam lebih awal. Dia merasa, jika menemukan Islam sejak dulu, hidupnya akan lebih damai dan terarah.
To be honest, finding that inner peace is much more challengeable for people like us who growing up in atheist families and also in an environment where there is a tendency that people think material perceptions and also physical comfort is more important than spiritual values. You know, in our growing process, there are a lot of times we may feel we need a shoulder to cry on. This need is right, but also it may lead us to wrong people or wrong methods that may be creating more chaos or traumas in our life. No matter you want to heal your intimate relationship or you lost the pain of someone or past traumas and so on.
Sebelum masuk Islam, Sarah menghabiskan banyak waktu dan usaha untuk mencari kedamaian batin. Dia mencoba berbagai cara seperti terapi, meditasi, yoga, hingga traveling, tetapi semuanya hanya memberikan ketenangan sementara.
Take myself as an example. In the past few years, I spent a lot of time and money on things like therapy, meditation, traveling, and yoga, and so on to heal myself. They helped, but none of this truly made me feel constant peace until I started to believe in Allah and pray.
Baru setelah mengenal Islam dan mulai melaksanakan ibadah sholat, dia menemukan kedamaian sejati yang berasal dari hati dan hubungannya dengan Sang Pencipta. Sarah juga menyadari bahwa meskipun tidak selalu ada bahu untuk bersandar, dia selalu punya tempat untuk mencurahkan air mata, yakni ketika dia bersujud di waktu sholat.
Because the true inner peace doesn't come from the outside things, it comes from within ourselves, within our hearts. And building the relationship with Allah requires our hard work. It's a process of facing our fears, our doubts, our difficult questions, and also change ourselves inside and out. And it took me years to realize that it is okay that I cannot find a shoulder to cry on, because I always have a ground to put my head down and shed my tears to Allah.
Untuk mengenal lebih jauh tentang saudari baru kita ini, Anda bisa mengintip akun TikTok-nya di Sarah_Su.
But our final meetings with Allah, it's an arrangement of Him. And no matter how many details we take in the process, it's worth it as long as we finally go back to Him and to our own inner heart.